Welcome to my food place. This is my home. I went to church. It was easy. You know what? I don't have time. Okay? So I don't have time. So, how you doing, guys? So, how's your food? It's what thank you. So that's my chicken. How about you come to my every day? So let's do this apart. So I'm gonna tell you something. I'm breaking it apart. So I break it apart. I never get along. So we're not to be here. So I need to get some water. Okay, guys, welcome to my episode. We are going to eat. Woohoo! So my dad is too busy. He's in the car. So he's too busy right now. Oh, and he's at work. He's not gonna come here. Well, yeah. So, yeah. She said, I'll go to the food. It's good. How about you listen to me? And I listen to you. And every time I never get along. Time to get along.
Ew.
Hi guys, my name is Emma Cake. I'm super sorry to put my feet in the table. That was disgusting. I'm super sorry, but there was a mouse. Then there was a mouse in the bathroom. So there was a mouse. It's dead. So you can't see it. So Emmy, how we chose. And Mom, bye.